Hello, good morning.
Okay, what about now?
Yeah. Okay, good.
What's happening?
Good morning. Wait, let me just
There
stop
was two
camera.
armrests.
Okay.
Uh, One left, so
What
no.
is it? Okay.
Why that happened?
I don't know. I just closed the Google Meet tab. I think I joined two times.
Okay. Yeah. How are you?
Good. You
Hmm.
can see me, right? Can you see
Yeah.
me? I
Yes,
can't see
yes.
me. I can't see me. I
Just
cannot see.
click on the cam two time. Close it and open it.
Oh, it's taking a lot of time to
I
open.
had a brother like that, not like this.
Just click once again. Now we can't see you.
Yeah, but he is cute.
Yeah, it's on, but it's not turning on. Is it turning on? You can't see me, right?
It's slowly turning
My
on. It's
little
slowly turning on.
brother always
Now
irritates
we
me.
can't see you, dear.
I was supposed to irritate
Let me
him, but
just.
1 second. No?
no. I already been a day without them.
After maths is English, right?
Yeah, please excuse me for a minute.
Yeah.
Where's Lazel? And what about Shravan Raj?
Ma'am,
Nobody's
Lazel said that he
Sounded
has a headache.
Oh,
Yeah, in
last
science
period he was
class.
there.
Yeah, he got a headache, but when it came time, it was almost time he got a headache and left.
Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I?
As-
This is the first class of today. Yes, um, just like today.
That's what the youngest one said.
No,
First class.
Ma'am,
today is
Okay,
the
can
but
I
second
have?
spirit, right? You were not there in the last class, Rafan?
yes, yes.
Yes, he was.
Then why did you ask this question?
mm,
Ma'am, ma'am, like this. Uh, today came in. Is there any other class you went in today, or it's a first class?
This is your second class. This
he's
is
saying,
second.
did you have?
This is second now,
Okay.
right? What's
Yes.
the problem, Rafan? What happened?
How can
He's
I just
asking if
like
you had any classes before this one.
Yes, children. So,
hmm,
what's going on? How's the class and all? Hmm?
G O
Yeah,
O D?
actually, yes. And
GOOD. Is it?
Yes, yes.
It's not BAD.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, yeah. So let's uh what 4 pages in a chapter.
Yeah, but it's mostly decoration.
It's
When you look at like
up
that,
to
it's
you.
full.
No, it's up to you.
But
For
the
notes, you
writing is
can just
very
keep
very
it.
little.
It's actually it's good to take notes, no? Right?
Yeah.
In my opinion, it's that it's really good to take the notes. Okay, so we'll be taking unit 14.4. We are done with 14.23, and then we'll be taking 14.4. You know what's chapter heading?
I know. It was something like reflecting shapes, right?
Yes, it's reflecting shapes. So all of you know what reflection means, right?
Yeah.
Look, this is a reflection, isn't it?
Yes.
No, is yes, that is a reflection.
yeah,
Huh? 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 Huh. This is the reflection, right? When we go for a mirror,
Well,
we go into a mirror, we can see a reflection of ourselves, isn't it?
Did anything in the
yes,
page?
yes.
Yeah, it's 294.
Yes. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Look at this. What's it? This A, B, C is reflected to A dash, B dash, and C dash. So when it is
Ma'am,
getting reflected, it
Ma'am,
becomes
14
A
point.
comes here, B comes here, and C comes here. 14.4.
Okay.
Look at this, children. When this ABC, when this triangle ABC is reflected along x-axis. Okay, reflected along. This is how we say reflected along x-axis. Okay, it is
So
become to
if it's like going in a vertical point,
vertical
we
manner.
saw
It
we
is
saw
up
it
or down.
reflecting on y-axis.
Y-axis. Yeah, reflecting along y-axis and reflecting along x-axis. Look at this. It is going right and left. No, if it is going
Yeah.
right and left, it is about all time. It will be on x-axis, and if it is going down or up, it will be like y-axis along y-axis. Okay. So A B C.
we
Look, A B
saw
C is
this.
reflected along x-axis, and it becomes A dash, B dash, and C dash. Look at this. Two squares here and two squares here. Look at this. You got it, right? It becomes A dash, B dash, and C dash. When
Yeah,
we
yeah.
get this BC, how to draw this, where to draw this BC, then it will be very easy to draw the other one also, the other all points, okay? BC we drawn just after 2 points from the origin. Here also we have done the same thing, 2 points from the origin, okay? Now it's drawn like this, then we just want to calculate the difference between that. Understood? Reflecting
Yeah.
shapes horizontally. Horizontally means what? Reflecting shape, a 2D shape across a horizontal line of reflection. The x coordinates do not change, but the y coordinates does change.
Ma'am,
Okay?
we
What?
ma'am the x changes, right?
No, it's going on x-axis, right? So x-axis doesn't change,
Huh?
but the y changes.
How?
Yeah, I'll show you that.
Ma'am, we wrote this down before, right?
Look at
Oh no,
this.
it's translating. Ah, okay. That's
Yeah,
what I
that's
asked.
translating.
Translating and reflecting is different. Right, right,
Yeah,
right.
that is different. Translation means we are just keeping it as such it is.
Yeah.
But reflection means it's getting reflected. The image is getting flipped. Okay. Look at this one. This object is getting reflected.
Ma'am, can you
It
show
got
Ma'am,
me
you
reflected.
will
that
post the
picture?
slides, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Now reflecting the shapes vertically. When the reflecting across a vertical line, x coordinates change, but the y coordinates do not change. Okay. If you want to take notes, you can do it, Amra.
Ma'am, you can go on.
Yeah. Look at this. This image also, in what manner it is getting reflected, Rafan? Rafan, is it reflected
Yes,
vertically or horizontally?
Ma'am, if it's
horizontally.
reflecting, ma'am, if it's reflecting shapes horizontally, x does not change, but y changes, right?
Yeah, horizontally means it's x-axis, right?
Yeah,
Along
x-axis.
x-axis means x doesn't change, y changes. Along y-axis means y doesn't change. That means vertical means y doesn't change, but x changes. Okay, just do it, children. All of you have a graph note with you.
Graph note.
I
Graph
don't
book,
think so.
graph book or graph paper with you.
Graph no.
No, I don't think so.
You don't have both of them.
Let
No.
me check.
Do you have a square notebook with you? That's also okay.
A square
No.
knot. I have my sister's maths book, maybe. Wait, let me just
We
check.
just want to get a square page, 2 or 3 square
Square
pages.
page.
Just check
Let me
whether
just check.
I
Yeah.
actually I thought of informing you to bring a graph book today.
Ma'am, let me just check.
Okay, okay. Just check it. Yes. All of you got a square knot or a graph
Yeah.
paper or something like that?
Yeah.
What about Heza and Rafan?
I did not. I don't have.
You don't have either a graph knot or a square knot or anything like that.
No.
Do you have a lined knot? A single lined knot do you have? Do you have anything? At least
I,
if
I
Rafan.
I was just doing right now the single line book.
You're drawing squares on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just somewhat draw some vertical line. That's okay.
Yes.
In a single line paper, just draw some vertical line. And for tomorrow, you bring at least a square knot or a graph book. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah,
Graph.
Amra, you can just draw two lines like this, and then draw this triangle in your notebook. It should be in the correct manner. Okay. The points where it comes and all, it will be in the correct. Should be in the correct manner. Look at this. After one point, after one unit, this line came, right? So from here, after one unit, we will draw this line. Okay. Understood? Now from here, one, it goes like 1, 2, 3. Same way we have to go like 1, 2, 3. Look, you can just count like this, okay? 1, 2, 1. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be reaching here. Yes. This is how the reflection will come.
So this is what you mean X doesn't changes. I mean,
Yeah,
but
here
Y change.
here X changes because it is,
Y doesn't change.
yeah, Y is not changing. Actually,
Can you see mine? It's like this.
yes, it's okay, dear. Now just draw two lines like this. So make it a little more darker than that, okay? The lines that you drawn. Will you
Ma'am,
get
I
a
have
graph
to
knot?
draw the things and everything, right? Draw the triangle.
Yeah.
So
Will you get a graph knot for tomorrow?
I can try.
Yes.
Okay.
No, you can just put in the WhatsApp so that we'll remember.
What?
You can put it in the WhatsApp so that
Yes,
we,
of
we
course.
can remember, or I'll.
Yes, Rafan. Good.
Okay.
Now you can mark the points as given in this one. there's a small thing I have to make you. I have there's a small difference what I have said. Okay, just forget about the horizontal and vertical reflection. Just what get in concept with the x-axis. Okay, look, it is reflecting over x-axis. Now the x-axis is going on, right?
Yeah.
But the vertical what reflection is going on.
Huh?
Look at this. It is reflected vertically, right?
Yeah.
Or horizontally. What you feel? Is it
Vertically. Vertically.
vertically, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, very good, Rafan. Very good. No, no, no. I'll just show it once again. That no, no, no. You have to test the point. You have to mark the point. Look at this. In y is 4, it is there. -4, it is here. This one. And here also it's
I'm
in.
like this.
Yes, yes. Look at the children. Here it is reflected along x-axis. X-axis is going in between them. Here it is
Yeah.
when it is coming
I
here.
need to do the negative point, right? The negative point, right?
Depends.
Yeah,
Yeah.
negative point also you have to write, and look, it should be in force. Okay, here also it should be in force. If it is reflected along x-axis, then x doesn't change and y changes. Here y changes, right? Here in this point is having uh look at this 1 4, isn't it?
Yeah. That is 1 4.
But here it became 1 -4. So y is changing.
Ma'am, so reflecting vertically, if it
No,
goes
don't
alongside,
forget about vertical and horizontal. Okay, let it keep in your mind like reflecting along x-axis. X-axis. Okay, it is reflected along x-axis. Here, this sort of reflection, no, this reflection, it is reflected along y-axis. Okay, here it is reflected
okay,
along y-axis. Y-axis in between them, right? So
yeah,
if it is reflected along y-axis, y doesn't change, x changes.
and that's what I've been asking you. I was
Yeah,
confused.
yes,
Reflecting alongside X, the Y will change, right? X
yeah,
will change.
Ma'am, can you tell it again?
yeah. If it is reflected along x-axis, x x remains same and y changes. And if
Okay.
it is reflected
So,
along y-axis, y doesn't change and x changes. Okay, look at this reflected along y-axis means it is reflected along y-axis, y-axis. This is the y-axis, right? So
okay.
y doesn't change and x changes.
Yes.
Understood?
Ma'am, so reflecting, let me just this. Reflecting along x-axis remains same, y-axis changes.
Yes.
Reflecting along y-axis, y remains same, x changes.
Okay. Okay. So can I rub this?
Well, I haven't finished. I haven't finished. Let me just.
Okay, I will do it the correct reflection.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show like how the other one would be again?
Which one?
The last one. It
This
would
one.
be, yeah.
Look, this line, no, that will come here. Just after one unit, it will come here.
Ah, okay, okay.
Then after this, you just want to draw. Don't draw the confusing part, okay? Look at this. First, you can draw just one after one unit. You can draw this one, okay? Now look at this. Up to where it is going. This line.
Ma'am, like this?
Yes, yes. Now look at this. Up to 4 it's going. So that also you just draw. And after that, it will be very easy for joining, right?
Yeah, joining is easy.
Yeah. So you just draw these two straight lines first. Then you can just draw the joining line. Then it will not be that confusing.
Okay, I'm done. Ma'am, why did we have to do this? We have textbooks, except Rafan, right?
Yeah. Textbook is there, right? The questions are there. All of you have textbook, right, Heza?
No, Rafan doesn't.
Yeah.
Okay,
Rafan
but
doesn't.
in this one actually the textbook is also not enough. Here you have to correct it. This you're going to do as a homework, okay? Look at this. Just say which is the correct picture, which is the reflected along x-axis, okay? In which of these diagrams has the shape A been correctly reflected in the x-axis? If the reflection is incorrect, copy the diagram and draw the correct reflection. Here only one picture is having the correct reflection.
C,
Okay?
C, C, C.
Are you sure?
Yeah, third
What
one.
about
The green one.
what,
Ma'am, I'm done.
what about the B one?
B.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can I show you?
B.
But I'm saying the C is not same.
Let me see.
Rafan, look at this. What problem does C has?
B is the same. B is the correct one. C is not correct because that.
Like what?
Intersecting in a line, I think.
What is the problem with C?
I think it is kind of intersecting between the line.
Intersecting.
Yeah, between the
What
line.
intersection is going on here? No intersection. Look at this. What is
It's
the
just like
difference in
That
what
is
what
correct. That
happens
is
with the
correct.
reflection?
Cause
What? Look at
if
this,
it's
children.
reflecting, there
Here
won't
it
be
is
that much
only
gap,
one
right?
unit, right?
Yeah, there
But
won't be
here
that
it's
much gap.
2 unit. After 2 unit, they are drawing the first line, but the line should come here after 1 unit. Then it
ma'am,
should.
is this like an illusion? Now it's like a door. Now it's like a door reflecting to doubt.
It should be like this, children. Okay.
Okay, so it should only be 1 unit difference.
Yeah. What is the difference here? That difference only should be there for the reflection also.
Okay.
Okay. Here after 2 units, the thing is coming. Understood?
Okay.
Yes. Copy each diagram and reflect the shapes in the y-axis. One has been started for you. So you are going to do this question 2 as a homework, okay? You have to draw it in your if you have a square book, it's very good. If you have a graph book also, it's good. Okay, you're going to get the graph book or otherwise you're just drawing like what Rafan done and you have to correct these pictures, okay? Yeah. Question 3. Copy each diagram and reflect. This is the same thing as happening. This is all very easy, right? You just
Yeah.
want to draw 2 lines and add it, okay? Do that also. So so for tomorrow you'll be having an activity homework. That activity we'll be doing right now also. 1 or 2 questions. The rest of the question we'll be doing from home, okay? The question 2, comma 3. Let's do this question from here. This one.
Which is that one? 3.
Yeah, this one. This one and this one we'll be doing from here.
Now we should draw in the
Like
notebook.
reflecting to x-axis.
Reflecting
to x-axis.
This is reflecting along which axis?
Um,
Where will the
y-axis.
reflection come?
X-axis, x.
It's reflecting along y-axis, right? Y-axis is
Yeah.
coming in between.
Okay. So if the
So if
the
y-axis, no, if reflecting along y-axis, y remains the same, x changes.
Yeah.
So that line would be 2, -1 with 1 unit difference.
Which line?
That, what can I say? Horizontal line. No, vertical line. Yeah.
This line will be 2,
Yeah.
1, right?
2, -1, yes.
2, 1.
Huh? 2, -1, right?
This is 1, 2 here.
Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2 here and 1 minus 1 here.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2.
And this part, no? This will become here, right?
Yeah. I think.
And just join this. Understood.
Yeah, I think I understood.
I think you understand.
there's no me there.
And we should draw it in the notebook.
Yeah.
finished. I didn't note correctly, but I finished. And I did correctly, but where is it? I need to write the question. What? Ma'am, can I just leave and come? There is some kitchy noise.
Yeah.
Done.
Yes, now do the next question, children. This question. Heza, you there?
Yes.
Why did you count off
Ma'am,
the cam?
it's to that is negative y. Negative y to y.
That is also reflected along y axis, right?
Yeah,
So
Yeah.
it can
So
be.
it. Oh my goodness. Ma'am, graph
yes.
squares will be smaller than the origin than the one in the square book, right?
What?
Graph squares will be smaller than the one in the square book, right?
Yeah, that's it. But we'll get like 1 unit amount, no? The correct amount we can get, right?
So graph book.
Finished. Finished, ma'am.
Yes. Heza, are you doing?
Wait for others.
Yes.
Ma'am was like, yes, okay.
What? Look at the children. So after 2 units, the same point came, right? So we'll put the point here. And then after this, here the other point is coming. No. Here the other point is coming, right? Here, here, and here. Isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
I forgot.
How are you doing it so fast?
You just check one point. From one point, it will be very, if you get that one point,
Ma'am,
it will be
I'm
very
talking about the drawing. I can do the points, but the drawing
easy.
it's very, very hard. Very consuming. Two, 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 two,
First, just mark all the points, then just
three. Ah, okay.
do it.
Done, ma'am.
Yes.
You have to do this?
Yes, you have to write the points of each of this.
Okay.
The reflection is already given.
So we have the object is one thing.
4.
The object is
Four.
the
This one, A, B, C, D. Images A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash.
okay.
I'll just go washroom and come, okay?
Okay, okay. Rafan, object C is 3, 4, right?
This one some pizza
Object
that I could
C,
make this
3,
hand.
4.
Is it?
It's 3, 4, right?
Are you telling the object or the image?
Object.
Okay. The object is
3, 4, right?
no 2 4 2,4.
How 2?
2,4.
3,
And
4, right? I'm
no,
talking about the C. Not
you
B.
want to see? Okay.
3.
See, we need to write. C is 4.
Exactly. 3, 4. Right? 3.
Yes. Is it? Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
That's what I'm asking.
Can I say something?
Done.
Yes, children, written.
Done. Yes.
Yes, done.
Okay. So what's the points?
Object C is 3, 4. Object D is 5, 2. Object D.
What do I have to say?
D is
C is 3,
C
4.
is 3, 4. Yeah. 3,
Yeah.
4.
4. And object D is 5,
2, 5. No, 5,
5, 4.
2.
5,
5, 2. 5, 2.
yeah. And A is 1 minus 2. B dash is
B dash is 2, negative 4.
2. You just look at this. Only the change came as the Y
Then,
became negative.
yeah.
Right.
But
C is 3 minus 4, isn't it?
then is that? I mean,
Yes.
that's the video.
And D is 5 minus 2. Only for the Y, the negative came. That's only the difference here. Right. Okay.
Okay, now, okay, okay, can you tell
So
this?
this is the
I was
question.
thinking like next is also shape.
You have to reflect each point with this letter. Okay. A dash. What will be
Can you
coming?
tell it?
This yellow point will be coming where? Look, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Negative
So from
3,
here also,
negative 3,
1, 2,
negative
3,
3.
4.
It will be -3. We have to reflect along the x-axis,
Tsunami is
right?
a big waves and big waves.
Uh,
That's why
We have to, ma'am,
the
reflect
yellows
along the x-axis.
where they said, yeah, reflect
Reflect
along
A.
x-axis. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so
negative
it will
3.
be 4, -3.
It will be like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here, right? And C will be
a speed
C also x-axis and then across the y-axis D. C along y-axis, right? C is along y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Here. Let me check this.
It can
Here,
get
right?
bigger than we thought.
C will be negative
How
4 and 1.
Mom, how come the C gets there?
C is across
Because
y-axis. Look at this. C4, 1 become 1 minus 4. Only that change will come.
Maybe higher than that.
Now,
Yeah.
C, no, what is this? B. Where is B?
B.
B 0 minus 2 across the x-axis. 0 minus 2 across the x-axis means what change it will come to B dash?
Mom.
Ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yeah,
So if reflecting vertically, it will always be across the x-axis, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Look at this. Here across the x-axis mean where will it come? Here, right? B.
I'm gonna watch a video like
B across x-axis.
so negative 2, 0. Along, yes, yes, it is along y-axis.
Across x-axis. Here, B. And D will be across x-axis and across y-axis. So, D minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 across x-axis. First across y-axis, right? So this is
Yeah.
y-axis. So here, isn't it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Here.
above the
Now across x-axis also. First is across x-axis, right? So it will come like here. And across y-axis here. Just do one thing. Draw the same thing and point in your notebook. And then mark it. Then it will be clear for you. Across y-axis means this is across y-axis and across x-axis means d dash will become what? Where? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Right?
Ma'am, we can just guess it, right? Guess it. We can just guess it, right?
You can just
Guess it. The number of the D to the 4, negative 4 to
Ma'am, it looks like I'm taking an eye test to tell what color is what.
Rafan, I didn't get you. What you were asking?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
negative 4 to 4, we can just calculate it and just guess it and just write the blue dot there, right?
Instead of marking, you can just guess and write it. Is that what you're asking?
Yes.
No, mark it and otherwise it would be doubtful. Here across x-axis means x will not change, y changes, right? That's the thing. That is what you're saying. If x-axis means x will not change and y changes. That is what you're saying, right? So it will become 4 minus 3, isn't it?
Okay.
It's not nice.
4 and minus 3. So if you are very sure about that, you can do. Otherwise, you just mark it and do. Otherwise, it will get confused. Hamra, what happened? You are stuck? I'm not saying about laptop. It feels like you're stuck with something.
No.
So I'll give you an activity. Are you done with this? We'll just do the 1 or 2 questions of the activity. And then we'll move to the next one. Done?
Yes.
So this is the activity I just said. You have to reflect a shape in the given line. Click on the coordinates to draw the image. Okay. So here the same thing. It's very easy. 1.
I think along with x-axis, right?
Yeah, dangerous.
Reflect a shape.
How come you write like that?
What?
Okay.
The first one.
It's along y-axis, no? So it should come here, right?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, what's it?
Uh,
1, 2,
huh? Oh, okay, there is no gap. Yeah.
3,
3,
4.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
This is what, right?
Ma'am,
Okay.
normally I had this in third grade, but we didn't
Oh,
take it like
great,
this.
great, great.
So I did like I checked like if my hand was like this, I just put it like this, and then like that I would like the answer. So it's easy.
Okay, it's also along y-axis. So we have to put here 1, 2, 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Can you give us the link so can we
Yeah,
have
not
some
now.
link?
I'll give it as a homework.
Okay.
3. Right? So I hope you will be doing this.
In the classroom, right? You'll post it as like
Yeah, I'll post in the classroom. And you'll be having I'll post the homework also, okay? I gave some homework, no? I'll post that also. Okay, then you have to do it for tomorrow. Don't make it pending. Tomorrow will be the but I'll close the submission for tomorrow. Okay.
please.
So do it today itself, today night itself.
Oh, okay.
Rafan, you still you are making pending, okay? And I gave you till January 15th. This is till January 15th, right? Today is January 15th. Did you submit any of the assignments or project of term 2?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes. Yes.
What about Heza? Did you submit it?
I
Yeah.
Let me just check.
I've submitted
Last date of
everything.
submitting the term 2 projects, and today it will be closed fully. We couldn't submit it
Yeah,
more
I
than that.
finished everything.
Did
Ma'am,
you submit it with the what your works attachments?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay then. So have a nice day, children. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
bye.
Bye all.
Ma'am, I got it all.
Ma'am, 1 minute, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes,
Yes.
Rafa.
The boy
Okay.
was carrying
I'm just looking for in your
a huge wave. Tsunami and dropped further
Got.
activity homework. Yes, I've done.
Okay
There
then.
is
Bye-bye.
nothing in my.
Okay. Bye-bye. Have a great day.
Okay.